Look at all our friends. Could we join them too, Bob?
Yes, X, Y, and Z.
New champion reader. Here's a special reward for defeating the... Let's learn a new sound. As in sun. Put all pen.
Magnificent broom.
We did it!
Por allí, la llamos, debemos aplaudir. ¡Yupi! La llamos, debemos aplaudir. ¡Yupi! Learn on the acorn, we found it over here. We found the acorn after looking everywhere. We found it, so let's all clap and cheer. Yahoo! It's a letter from Mr. Cello. Yay! Presenting the Air Patroller!
Here, Ryder can go right inside. You just gotta fold his leg down, and there goes Ryder. Ryder and Robodog. We can close it up like that. It's ready to fly. Now watch, you push this button here and whoa. The propellers actually turn, and look at those lights. See the lights right there? That's the Paw Patroller.
Bill. Yellow.
What color?
Nice job.
Yellow was when I picked it first. Okay, so now. I got it! Yeah, that's easy. You picked it easy.
I got more points than you.
Wow, good job!
You only got...
Yellow banana,
I got more than you.
Oh, wow!
Got a lot!
That's a
I'm
lot.
more higher than you.
Wow!
See, easy. Now you gave me the easy one.
Yeah. Wet and dry, yay! Okay. Let's play again.
All done.
Yeah, oh, but okay. But let's try to do another matching game. Or you want to do opposites? No, we don't want to do easy.
Everybody will all cheer and clap our hands as loud as we can. Ready? Let's try it.
Olive Garden's officially having a Calabrian summer, bringing bold flavors that pack a little.
All the picnic them, are you ready?
Swear
Me think me.
Happy birthday, Pasquale, from all of us here at Chuck E. Cheese's.
Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Happy birthday, Pasquale, from all of us here at Chuck E. Cheese's.
Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.